One of the most anticipated vehicles at the Frankfurt Motor Show is the Bentley Bentayga. And I've got Sangyup Lee here right now. He's the head of design and advanced design at Bentley. And Sangyup, what a masterpiece. You must be very proud of the way that this turned out.
I'm very proud. And really, team, we put our heart on this car, and the car delivers. So I'm very happy about this. Yeah.
We're seeing all kinds of crossovers and sport utilities come into the luxury segment. What did you really want to achieve from a styling statement with this vehicle?
It's very simple and straightforward. This is the SUV. It's the fastest and the most luxurious. So design has to deliver it. So start with a great proportion. Always great design. To start with a great proportion to begin with. It is really contemporary design, yet unmistakably Bentley. That is our main catch on the car. As you see the front, it has a very present and a strong, and with a very high tech, with a great jewelry execution all the way around it. Contemporary, 100% Bentley. And it goes to the side, thick chunky body side, the high belt line, very powerful stance, supported by the 22-inch wheels on it. It really make the car very powerful. To the rear overhang is quite long. It's unusually long for SUV. So that also creates a very unique in terms of the proportion of the car. By doing that, we have a rear glass lean forward even faster than the windshield glass. So imagine windshield and the rear glass very fast with a sleek roofline. This is not typical two-box SUV. This is something else in a unique proportion, I must say.
Yeah, I would say that because to have a fast backlight like that is, I can't say that there's any other vehicle that's got something like that.
It is very special, but at the same time, what we focus is the usability should not be compromised having the fast glass. This is why we have a long rear overhang. It's a very, very long, emphasize the usability on the rear, having a rear glass without compromising the space inside of it.
Not only that, but you've got this strong character line around the rear wheel as well to give real haunches to the look of it.
Absolutely. The power of the vehicle comes from the rear haunch. It's a very precisely executed surface. The volume is actually a perfect balance of the soft and the hardness together. The beautiful part is supported by its big, deep dish 22-inch wheels.
What are some of the other details that you'd like to point out as well?
A lot, I must say.
More than we have time for here. Let me ask you about one, because I'm so intrigued by the way that you've got the running lamps, and yet you carry a little bit of the body color into the center of it as well. Why that?
It is a very special feature. A lot of people asking this question. This is a washer. When it works, it has to come forward about 100 millimeter, shoots the water to clean up the lens. But there is a special touch in the British design DNA to it, Jekyll and Hyde. When you look at the car from long distance, you see a big two round headlamp inboard. You don't find distinctive because of the body color cap. When headlamp is on, it becomes a four round. So it's a two-phase design in one car.
Very interesting, and again, it gives it a very unique look that even in the Bentley line, it's distinguished from the other models.
It is a very important car in the Bentley history. I must say it's the most significant launch in the Bentley history because our four-door cars right now, Flying Spur, Mulsanne, we call more of the traditional luxury, which means a lot of cases is driven by chauffeurs. Where this car is a four-door for future, modern luxury. Many cases it will be driven by the owner. So owner's lifestyle is very important. So modern luxury being more emphasis on the lifestyle of the owner of the car.
And I can imagine too, as you described it, the four doors are traditional luxury. This is probably going to attract a new buyer to the Bentley brand.
Absolutely. With this car, we really want to lower our average customer because Bentley design is actually you need to be mature to understand the Bentley. The subtlety, sophistication, micro jewelry details and everything. Therefore, our actually average customer is a lot higher than most of other premium brands. We are the luxury. It's a very special, but at the same time, we want to expose this car, lifestyle luxury, to a younger crowd.
Well, it's a beautiful piece, I've got to tell you that. I'm very impressed by it. And I want to thank you for taking the time to talk about what you've done here.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Sangyup. And keep tuning in. We've got even more coming on this car. We're going to next go into the interior. Thanks so much.
Form, function, texture, structure. Nature seeks not to change its surroundings. It adapts. It bends. It flows. It evolves. Transformability. It's how Magna is changing the driving experience for all who share the road. Learn more. Visit Magna at the International Motor Show in Frankfurt, September 17th to the 27th.